Hey guys, welcome back to Following the Gillespies. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications to let you know when we post new videos.
Alright, so today we went back to Graham Creek Reserve.
Yeah, in Foley, Alabama.
Yes.
And they have 3 disc golf courses. They have a bunch of trails. They have a playground. They have a, I don't even know what you call it, but a place where they have some stuffed foxes and things like that. But then they also have a live owl that is being rehabilitated because it's blind or has one eye or something like that. It's a really cute owl. So anyway, the whole thing, and it's a city park, which is just amazing to me, but it's like being like out in the woods. There's trails, and anyway, there's 3 disc golf courses out here. 2 of them I have heard are for professionals. Well, you know me, I'm a professional now. Peanut gallery. So anyway, we've done the other one, which was kind of fun and just, you know, whatever, just la. We wanted to find the other one. Well, it's hard to get to for one. You really need to know where you're going or find somebody that does, because we had to follow a couple guys here. And it's a tight, long course. Some of the holes were over 700 feet. And there's woods everywhere. It's narrow. There's not very much open space.
It's beautiful in there.
It's awesome.
Beautiful. I mean, but a lot of the holes aren't marked very well. So you kind of have to pay attention to where you're going.
Right. And from the baskets, they have strings that really, most of them point to the right trail to go on and everything like that. They're improving it. You can tell some of the pads were, concrete was added to the pads.
We can't see you.
Concrete was added to the pads this year. So.
Yeah, it was pretty. Just long. Maybe not come, you know.
Not come in the middle of the day, or late day. The gnats start to come out.
Yeah, the gnats got bad.
Gnats got bad.
It was pretty.
Go early in the morning and bring water.
Bring water.
Just bring lots of water.
Maybe some bug spray. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean snacks, whatever. Just what you would do on a normal trail. Just make sure you have plenty of water. We didn't necessarily pack a bunch of water, and so it got long. It got hot. You know, but I say long. I put it on Strava, and it had us for maybe 1.25 miles, a little over 1.25 miles. So it's not like it was treacherous, and it's not real hilly.
No,
it's fairly
really
flat.
Dirt road to get here. That's why this is so bumpy.
We are on the dirt road.
It's gonna be very bumpy.
And Michelle took some really cool videos and pictures and stuff like that.
Okay, no problem.
Bring it 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All that good stuff. So.
Yeah. Check it out. So we've learned today that this trail is very, very long. And we've also spent half of that time in the woods looking for discs. Some of these trails are straight like this, but you know. But it's been a pretty trail out here today.